This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and EB-Hub. Yo, what's up? We're now in Malmö, Sweden, getting ready to hit Copenhagen. So today's plan is to drive over here first, go to the Copenhagen Zoo, and then later the afternoon we're gonna drive over to Billund. Tomorrow we'll visit the Billund, Legoland. We have an Airbnb around here for 3 nights, I think. But anyway, so yeah, now I'm charging up the power bank because this is what we need to keep the fridge alive. Yeah, it's kind of silly. Let me show you now. So we had 91%. Now, this is a nice car indeed, but it is a bit dinosaur because as soon as you leave the car, it powers off everything. So the trick is to buckle up like this. Yeah, and we have the fridge. So you know, in the days between 2 Airbnb, we will have to keep the fridge alive, right? And keep all the food that we brought with us fresh so they don't spoil. For example, milk. Well, here, this is important. Prim. What the heck is prim? We brought 3 prim. Well, this is getting kind of empty now. From Norway, it's brown cheese mixed with something so you can spread it on bread. So the kids, they love prim. So we have to bring it with us. So yeah, this is awesome. A nice Jova fridge. In the beginning, I thought when I started reviewing this at home, like, why do we need 35-liter fridge? It's huge. It took up quite a big portion of the trunk here. But actually, it makes perfect sense now for a road trip. You put cheese and ham and stuff and drinks in here, and it's actually perfect size. So yeah, this does not fit in the well of this e-tron, but whatever, we can just fit it here, no problemo. Have to make sure that it has enough venting here. So I'm just preparing now, waiting for wifey to finish. I have some luggage that goes on top there, but let me show you in front. I love this big frunk. Okay, it gets kind of hot. The car is also absorbing some heat in the sun. I try to park in the shade when I can, but whatever, you know, stuff that is not critical when it comes to temperature, you can just stay here. For example, for colder weather, I don't know if you're gonna hit it. We have some long pants here from Stormbag, right, and jackets. So clothes and toys can stay in the front here, no problem. Yeah, and even though you see it's kind of shallow on this side, it goes deeper here, but you can just fill it up. So very convenient that we spread out. We have some stuff here, some stuff in the back. So yeah, works great now. So I'll probably just go inside and grab the rest now. We're waiting for wifey to finalize stuff. We should check out, what the heck is going on here? What? We should check out at 11, but I think it's way past 11 by now. Yeah, Isabel is out. Alright, this is the Ösen Bridge, and I have this Brobis. Well, is it called Brobis or Bropass? But you pay yearly subscription, and then you get lots of discounts. It costs only, I think it was 180 DKK. Let me see, I think it should be able to work here. So I've been using this for over a decade. Well, just all the chip before. So supposedly, I'm not sure if you will hear the beep. Let's see. There it did. Okay, good. Yes, that's it. So the way it works is that you pay a subscription per year. I think it was 300 something. I'm not sure if it was SEK or DKK. DKK costs 1.5 more than SEK, but and then instead of around 50 euros over here, you get away with only around 15 euros, right? So as long as you take a round trip back and forth, then that's it. This 1 year pays off, and then of course you get, I think it was also 5% discount on Storebælt. Yeah, we will also pass Storebælt today. So of course if you go more than 2 trips per year, then definitely worth it. So yeah, now I'm just gonna enjoy the view and get over to Copenhagen. Well, we're now at the Copenhagen Zoo. I was lucky to find a spot here. Yes. Kind of scary because here when we unload the kid and stuff, that's where the bicycle lanes are. Lots of bicycles in Copenhagen. So yeah, we went here last year also. It's two parts. There's some part over there and then some part here. So not too hot today. Only 27. Not too strong wind. Yeah, the kids, they love animals and birds and reptiles and yeah. This is good. We like this place here. We have some playground there, also playground on the other side. Some snacks, some food, yes. Oh, nice chill place. I like it here. It's very well designed for families to come here. Man, we brought some fans. Yes, only fans is the best. It's kind of hot. So wife wants some calamari, but here churros with ice cream, and this ice cream is Hansen's ice cream. It's good. It's really good.
Thai, and me.
We're done. Now we're gonna head west. Go west. So we'll go to Ionity Kurser. It's fairly big site. I just want to top up there. See here that, well, we could have gone there maybe. That's Greve. Schlalse is completely full. Kurser is very, wow, Nyborg is full. So many of these are full, many of them are not. Okay, whatever, let's go. Someone is grumpy. I think he needs some sleep now. We are now at Ionity Kurser. I don't have to charge here, but I actually want to charge here because, well, let me explain. First, okay, it's kind of slow. Let's plug it in and let it do the plug and charge. Very convenient once you've gotten used to it. There, just plug it in and everything will go by itself. So yeah, Axel, now it's 5. No, it's almost 6 in the evening now. So if he sleeps too long, if I drive non-stop for 2 hours or 2.5 hours, he will sleep very long, and then tonight he will not sleep until maybe midnight. So that's why we actually stop now. Yeah, you see. Yeah, okay. So it's a bit of crying, but that's probably the best. See, I have 55%. Oh, no, what the heck, man? So, no, dude. Oh. Okay, come on. Don't be so annoying now. Because I could charge there, Fredericia, but there's some unfall here, but it's getting better and better. So I just want to check out this. So instead of getting stuck in the stau there, we stop here, very quick detour right by the Danish Autobahn, and then we can probably hammer through here. So yeah, it's getting okay speed. So I just want Axel to not sleep too long. It's kind of weird. Yes, it's kind of weird to plug in at 56%. That there are actually several reasons for it. And here seems to be a nice place to stop because we have lots of Ionities. So you see the 350 kilowatt there. Yeah, here. Well, Amphenol. Okay, I guess it doesn't matter. Wait, there's Amphenol there and Phoenix contact here, yes. It doesn't matter for this car, especially not with 50% state of charge. And Amphenol also works. Yeah, it doesn't throttle. But we have Sunset Boulevard. I actually never eaten over there before. People say that Sunset Boulevard is way better than McDonald's over there. So this is a nice place, nice modern Ionity with plenty of stalls. Well, how many? Is it 16 stalls? Something. One is kaput. Plenty. Great. Yeah. Some of the other Ionities on the way here is kind of small. So then you might risk of Laderstau. So I can see over there. I don't know if you can see it. Here, I spotted it. What is that? That is Kempower. Yeah. But I wonder if those are double stalls or liquid cool stalls. Whatever. I think it's just normal double stalls. Yes. So okay, I guess I'll just hang out there for a little bit. Maybe until 80%. That's how we do it, right? We charge you 80% with this e-tron. We have arrived at a small Danish town called Bul Cub. There is some Vietnamese shop here, pho and stuff, so maybe we try that tonight. The kids are in good mood, that's good. So I think it's here, it's some kind of small shopping mall, Coop. Yeah, okay, let's check it out. Oh, it's here, okay. Well, let's figure out what's here then, my kitchen here. Okay, ordered something here, we had to wait 10 minutes. The kids have been running around. Wait, let me see. Isabel, are you sliten? Isabel, are you sliten? Are you tired? Isabel, eat ka? Yeah, okay. หิวไหม เอ๊ะ Isabel ไปดูผลไม้ไหมฮะโคบอ่ะ
อยากจะไปดูผลไม้
I booked at a farm or something this time. At least it's quieter than yesterday, right? At the Malmö with all the noisy motorcycles. But good thing we have a Q6 e-tron with some off-road capabilities here. Yeah, I think this is it. It is as banal, as farm as you can get it. The kids can roam around here. The only thing is that, well, maybe I should back up. They can roam around here. Don't worry about the cars. Only thing is mosquitoes, maybe. Well, okay. Alles gut. All right, park all ready now. Alles gut. Yeah. So nice surroundings. The kids can run around there. Okay. So yeah, I think it's part of a farm and has been rebuilt into an apartment. So it has pretty high rating. You can just check in here. The host went over to greet us. They live just right here also. So yes, nice. So we have a kitchen here. We have actually big living room. Here also an extra sofa, Wi-Fi there, bathroom here. Yeah, just a nice cozy place, huh? We'll stay here 3 nights, and there were 2 separate bedrooms with 2 doors between, so I snore quite loud. Okay, wifey is preparing all the stuff here. Wait, who's gonna sleep where? Hopefully we won't, I won't. Okay, I see now. Yeah, I'll be sleeping here with Isabel. There are some toys here, but this is for bigger kids. Yeah, so, all right, yeah, okay, wifey needs to do all this stuff. I'll start carrying stuff inside here. We might bring the fridge and some other luggage here. Okay. All right, we're eating good tonight. We have some summer rolls here. I don't know, but okay, the rice rolls. We have this is bung. I think I'm not sure bung sasiu or it's some kind of bung. Yeah, bung means just that noodles there with some duck.
Pie.
Oh yeah. You like it, Isabel?
Corn.
Yeah, corn. Yeah. And then this is kind of funny. This was for Kinder. Oh, you like it? This was for children. So just a small portion, freaking huge, man. Yeah. So that's good. The kids, they love the noodles in different variants. Okay. Okay, we'll let the kids watch a little bit of cartoon, okay? But you just have to show wifey something here. You know why we always end up with not cheapest Airbnb? It's because I snore so loud. Yeah. And if you look here, wifey will be sleeping in that room. I'll be sleeping in that room. What the heck is that? What? Why is there a hole there? What? เห็นรูข้างบนไหมรูบนห้องเลย